everyone. So it is actually day 17 of the Tombs and Tomes challenge, and so I didn't get footage for like the last couple days, mostly because I was a little bit busy doing other things. But I just got done donating some more clothes, and I donated some more books to my local library. So PSA, use your local library if you can. But yeah, I would recommend utilizing your local library if your town has one. So, but today is day 17. I am missing days 15, 16, and today's. And those are weapon for the 15th, red color for the 16th, and tree or forest for today's. I am actually gonna reverse on back out of here just so I can get some coffee or maybe an energy drink, because my coffee probably has gone bad. My homemade coffee. So I'm gonna go get coffee, and I will see you guys later.